Okay, boys and girls, so only go to the brown.
My son's class has a student of the week, and you're supposed to go in there and do something that your family does together, and our family does dairy farming. So I think it's important to go in there and show these kids what our life is like, because only 1 or 2% of the population is doing this now. So there's so many people that are just misinformed on things. Some people have this anger towards dairy farmers, but they just aren't informed. They just need to go visit one and see what it's really like. Do you have milk in your fridge at home? Your refrigerator? Who has milk? Raise your hand if you have milk in your fridge. Okay. Do you know where that milk came from?
Cows.
Okay, so how did it get into your fridge at home, though? How did
farmer brought it.
A farmer brought it to your fridge? Did you buy it at the store?
Yeah, we bought it at the store.
Does the store have cows?
No.
No? Okay, so how does it get to the store, do you know?
The farmers bring it to the store.
Well, kind of. So, how many of you guys have cows? Raise your hand if you have cows. You have cows? Okay, raise your hand if you milk those cows. Do you have a milk cow? Do you? How many?
I don't know. I have a bunch.
You have a bunch? Well, milking gloves, we actually put these on when we milk, but I filled them up with water and I poked a little hole in there so you can pretend you're milking. So we're milking this cow out. Our pretend cow.
And that's the bucket.
Yep. And then the part on the cow that the milk is stored is called the udder.
Yeah, stand up.
Oh, yeah. Take her.
Get the pet out? Well, hands-on learning is fun, and they get engrossed with the activity, and they can see for real life like how it affects them, rather than a workbook or a picture. They can touch the cap and see the cap and see the people that it affects. Starters, Mom and Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Hopefully you'll learn something.
That's my mom.